Here's how to connect VAPI to Google Sheets using make.com step by step. Start by signing in to your make.com account. Once you're on the main dashboard, create a new scenario. This opens the workspace where you will connect VAPI and Google Sheets in the same automation flow. In the empty scenario, click the plus button to add your first module. Use the search bar to find VAPI, then select the VAPI module you want to use. The exact module can vary depending on the action you need, so choose the one that matches the VAPI data you want to send into your spreadsheet. After selecting the module, move to the connection field and click Add. This opens the connection setup window for VAPI. In the connection name field, enter a name that helps you recognize this connection later. It can be any label that makes sense in your account, especially if you plan to create more than one connection. Next, open your VAPI account in a separate tab. Go to the VAPI API key section, find your private API key, and copy it. Return to make.com and paste that value into the API key field. Make sure you use the private API key and not the public API key, since the public key will not work for this connection. Once the API key is in place, click Save. This creates the VAPI connection and returns you to the scenario. At this point, the first part of the workflow is ready, and you can move on to sending the data into Google Sheets. Add another module to the scenario and search for Google Sheets. Select the Google Sheets module that fits the action you need, then connect your Google account when prompted. If make.com asks you to allow access, approve the request and wait for the connection to finish. With the Google Sheets module connected, choose the spreadsheet you want to use, then select the correct worksheet inside that file. After that, map the incoming VAPI data to the appropriate columns in your sheet. This part matters because each field from VAPI should line up with the column where you want that value to appear. Make sure you select the correct spreadsheet and worksheet before continuing, especially if your Google account contains several files with similar names. When the mapping is complete, test the scenario by clicking Run once. This sends sample data through the workflow so you can verify that the VAPI information is added to Google Sheets in the way you expect. Check the sheet and confirm that the new row or updated data appears in the right place. If the test looks correct, return to the scenario in make.com and click Save. Then switch the scenario on so it can run going forward. Your VAPI connection is now linked to Google Sheets in make.com and ready to send data into your selected worksheet.